Stop wasting hours rewriting emails, fixing grammar, and formatting documents. What if AI could do all of this in seconds? Today I'm showing you exactly how to use AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude to transform any text instantly. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I share practical AI tips that save you time every single day. Today we are covering AI text writing and formatting, skills that will help you with emails, reports, social media posts, and more. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what prompts to use and how to get professional results every time. Let's start with basic rewriting. Say you wrote this email, but it sounds too casual. Hey John, just wanted to check if you got my report. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Here's the prompt I use. Just type rewrite this email in a professional tone and paste your text. Hit enter and watch what happens. The AI instantly transforms it into a polished professional email. It adds proper greetings, fixes capitalization, and maintains a respectful tone. You can see how it sounds much more appropriate for workplace communication. But what if you need the opposite? Maybe you're texting a friend and want it more casual. Dear Sarah, I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to inquire if you would be available for coffee on Saturday afternoon. Same process. Just change the prompt to rewrite this in a casual, friendly tone. Now it sounds natural and relaxed, perfect for texting a friend. The AI understands context and adjusts the language accordingly. Next up, grammar fixes. We all make mistakes, especially when typing fast. Check out this paragraph. I was working on the project yesterday and there was some issues with the data. Me and my team couldn't figure out why the numbers wasn't matching up. I will use this prompt. Fix all grammar and spelling errors in this text. Within seconds, the AI corrects subject-verb agreement, pronoun usage, and verb tenses. Everything's now grammatically perfect. But here's where it gets even better. You can also improve clarity. Let's say you have this confusing sentence. The thing about the situation is that what happened was the system that we use wasn't working properly due to the fact that there were updates. Prompt, rewrite this for clarity and conciseness. Look at that, the AI strips away unnecessary words and makes your point crystal clear. This is perfect for reports, presentations, or any professional writing. Now let's talk formatting. Sometimes you have good content but terrible structure. Here's a wall of text about project tasks. We need to complete the research phase first, then move to design after that development starts, and we should do testing before launch. Also, marketing materials need preparation and the budget requires approval. Watch this. Prompt, format this as a numbered list with clear action items. Boom! The AI organizes everything into a clean, actionable checklist. Each task is separated and easy to follow. You can do this with bullet points too. Maybe you are writing social media content and need key points highlighted. Our new wireless headphones feature active noise cancellation technology that blocks out ambient sound. They have a battery life of 30 hours on a single charge. The headphones are comfortable for all-day wear with memory foam ear cushions. They also include a built-in microphone for calls and support Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. Prompt, convert this into bullet points highlighting key features. Perfect for product listings, website copy, or presentations. The AI extracts the main features and formats them professionally. You can even transform content between different styles. Change bullet points to paragraphs, paragraphs to tables, whatever format works best for your project. Here are some advanced tricks. You can adjust reading level, say you wrote something too technical. The API utilizes RESTful architecture to facilitate asynchronous data transmission between the client-side application and server-side database infrastructure. Prompt: rewrite this for a beginner with no technical background. Now anyone can understand it. The AI simplifies jargon and uses everyday language. You can also change tone, make something more persuasive, more empathetic, more urgent, whatever your audience needs. Our product has some good features that might help your business. Prompt: rewrite this in a confident, persuasive tone for a sales pitch. See the difference? Same information, completely different impact. This works for cover letters, marketing emails, social media posts, you name it. And that's how you use AI for text rewriting and formatting. These techniques save me hours every week, and now they'll save your time too. Remember, the key is clear prompts. Tell the AI exactly what tone, format, or style you want, and it will deliver. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button. It helps more people discover these AI tips, and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials every week. I've got videos on AI for productivity, content creation, and automation coming up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.